What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my laboratory where safety is #1 priority. So Grant Thompson over here, aka King of Random, build me one of these and say, put 2 fingers over here and press this button. So I don't know what to expect. He's just said, just do it. So hold it like this with 2 fingers and press it. Man, I'm kind of scared. Let's do it. Oh man, let's do it. Ah! Woo! Man! So, I guess that's a little prank he did it on me. And what is this? It's like a little game, huh?
So what this is a shocker circuit, 330 volts of electricity.
It's a lot.
So we got these 2 little screws that I got from Home Depot, some PVC piping, and the wiring is inside. And when you press this button, you get the electricity that shoots through those 2 terminals. If you happen to be holding it like this, it'll go all the way through your body and you feel a pretty good jolt. You want to see that one more time?
No.
One more time.
No. But if you want to see how to build crazy stuff like that, subscribe to Grant Thompson. Links in the description. Click on his face over here, on his beautiful face. And I'll see you next time. That's awesome.
One more time.
No, you do it. You see how all the edges are coming out now? And you squeeze it a little bit. Remember, you cannot use any knives. You see how it's popping out? Boom! And guess what? Cat gonna survive too.